Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey y'all, morning. So we're heading to Walmart right now. I've been up here since Friday. So it's 11 o'clock in the morning. Where we going, Papa?
Where we going there?
Where we going? Where we going?
Walmart?
Yeah. She lives on my phone. He had my phone just now. I come up here to spend some time with my papa because I'm going to Jamaica on Friday. So, you gonna miss me?
Yeah.
You gonna miss me? Look.
Yeah. How about just
You're gonna miss me. I know you're gonna miss me.
We got a gun there.
He was supposed to come with me. But his father messed that plan up. I bought him his Christmas gifts and stuff. I need to buy a blender because my blender broke. See one that I like, so I'm gonna get that one. Mainstay brand. Papa! Why you walking in the camera like that? So this is the sneakers I bought him. The New Balance. Stop, Papa. Yeah, these are like washed up green with orange. I thought it was yellow, but it's not. I noticed when it came online, it looked like it was yellow, but when it came, it was orange. This is the outfit of the day for him. But mask, you know me. I just have on. This guy gotta go. But yeah, okay. I don't know. I don't know what time the pharmacy open. That's right, dude. Let's try to go Walmart right here. I gotta go in the pharmacy real quick. Let me see if they have it. Come, Papa. Let's go over there. We came over here. And I knew I used to see the Rite Aid sign. Just to see that it's oh. Wow. Okay. I was gonna go to the Walmart pharmacy. They building something right here. I don't know what they building. Where the Friendlies was at. Hopefully it's another fast food place. Ooh. Raising Cane's? That'd be crazy if that's really what it is. I don't know. I'm thinking it's another fast food place though. Who knows? We'll see. Cloud is saying it's gonna rain for sure. It's cold. He was just dancing. But we at Dollar Tree buying some stuff. Little stuff. Deodorant. I saw this blender right here, right? And then I have saw this online. But this one is $14.88. This one is $18.88. And I'm like, Kimani, which one? He gonna say both. I'm like, no, pick one. And then he picked this one. I honestly gonna go with this one anyway because this is 18. It's bigger. It's a regular blender. We at the pharmacy waiting for his prescription, and then we go shopping. Last time I had bought him a cake pan, and I'm like, dang, I should have bought me one too. So I'm gonna get me one right now because I should be eating cake. To be honest, I really shouldn't. Oh, I could just bake it in the air fryer. Yeah, I'm not buying this. Oh, these are cute. I like the color. Oh, they got the pizza thing right here. Oh, that's why my back is so big. Look at this small thing. This reminds me of the one I got from Timo. Why is it so much money? Roll back. So it was $49. This is nah. Does this really work? Because why is it so much? For $44? Yeah, so the one from no, I think I bought it from Shein. It wasn't from Timo. Was it Temu I bought it from or from Shein? I don't even remember. Yeah, I need a regular blender. I could have just saved my $4 or $5 and buy a regular blender. Please. Oh wow. Oh, it's just $5, y'all. It's me walking past and she's like, that's cute, and I picked this up. It's a lotion and hand wash for $5. It's not bad. Yeah, honey vanilla, lavender sage, French lavender. It's cute. It's hand gel and hand moisturizer. For $5, y'all, this is so worth it. What the card is looking right now. I'm buying one of these to bring back to me. Bring to Jamaica with me. But look at this now. Look at the price. Usually be two of them. Now they're selling it separate. I don't need no extra. I'm good. That's it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Lucky Charm.
Huh?
A cereal, Lucky Charm.
You want Lucky Charm?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. Go get it.
Here, you said.
Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Behind him. He's mine. Just like his mama. Oh, they got the Swiss rolls. Get a big box, Papa. Get a big one. Get a big box. Look at this. Get a bigger box. A big one.
Good.
You see the big one?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's the big one. Alright, make a size. There it is.
That's good, baby.
You good?
Yeah.
Busted. That look good. I don't even like those. Alright, I'm about to check out. I think that's it. So this is the card. Yeah. Got the bread, wheat bread, honey wheat. Oh, I don't know. I'm squishing the bread. You put the oil. Watch your back. Watch your back. Come on. Go on.
On the back.
Oh, look at the peppermint. Oh, what about the Christmas cake last time? We didn't even get to make it. Oh, and I forgot to bring the gingerbread house for me and to do. I mean, I was rushing out anyway, but dang. You look good, Papa. The scan and go. Going over here.
Many hours later.
So I'm home from PA. I got here like 6. It's now 9:18, right? So I showered, I washed my hair, and I was like, I'm hungry. So I'm making some turkey chicken legs, and I just put every seasoned pan in because the way me hungry, I just want everything pan it. I even cut some potatoes up, so because I'm gonna throw it in there. I'm making rice and also dumplings. Like we said, I'm hungry. I made tea with every single tea bag. 2 green tea, ginger lemon, and wait there. I thought I put a peppermint in here. Damn. Got 2 ginger put in there? Jesus. Okay, so it was supposed to be 1 peppermint, 1 ginger, but yeah. I just wanted to drink some tea for this food. I'm doing the burn sugar method because that's what I'm cooking right now. And I put some garlic. I just love cooking with garlic. I just love the smell and it's giving healthy, okay? I'm here watching Miss Petite because, you know, that's my girl. I'm making rice, but I'm not making a lot of rice, to be honest. Because I said I was going to cut out rice until I go to Jamaica. Then Chevy B, I love her too. She's Jamaican, she lives in Canada. Yeah, she's one of my other faves to watch. This is the end. The black stuff is the burnt garlic, but it looks so yummy. I'm about to eat right now. I'm so hungry. This is the food.
The next day.
So morning, y'all. It's now, today's Monday, December 18th, and I'm about to wash this wig. The one I got from Temu. Look at it. It is not 22 inches, bro. Wait, look. It's not 22 inches. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm about to wash it because this is about to be to Jamaica on Friday. I think I might cut it. I'm not sure yet because I've been wanting a short burgundy wig. I do have one, but I don't know. I think I cut off too much on the top, so the black is showing instead of the lace. I don't know, honestly. This is so weird for a little bit while I'm down there, because I'm gonna do my hair again while I'm down there. See, that's what you gotta watch. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock a.m. It's raining outside. I just pick up these from my neighbor's friend downstairs because she picked them up for me while I was away for the weekend. So Sheen. This is my Rihanna perfume. I cannot wait to open this. And these are Sheen. All these are Sheen. I have one more package for Fashion Nova to come, and then that's done. Then I'm done. Then I'll be in Jamaica on Friday. It's raining. Just pick up my packages. I feel like I should go with this one first. This package first, because I'm so excited to open it, and I hope it's a real one. They better not play with me. I got it from Scent Decant. Well, on Google I typed in Rihanna perfume Riri. I remember I went to King's Plaza. Homegirl trying to send me a fake one that's not the real one, and I'm like, girl. And this better be ooh, it better be the real one. Cause I bought my little set. That's supposed to be today. Today's Monday. I'm supposed to be today. The Sheen haul. The perfume thing. The perfume rotating shelf thing. So I'm like, I have to have Rihanna on there. Like, I can't have a perfume thing and not have Rihanna on there. So I'm like, let me get this Rihanna perfume. Cause me love Rihanna perfume. Smells so good. It's my favorite one. So this one is not really my favorite. This is a Rogue one, the body spray. The scent, it smells good, you know. Don't get me wrong, it smells good because it's almost done. It's just the fact that it's a light scent. So I mix it with this. The nude. Oh my god, the nude is the best. I think I'm gonna have to compare it with this one and see which one smells better together. So I'm gonna do that before, okay? So let's see how much I pay for it. I think it's $30-something. Why the price is up on it? Okay, the price is not on there, but yeah, it was $30-something. I think I got some discounts because it was my first one. It's a real one because I see the box. I'm so excited. Come on, something. It's wrapped. Oh. I don't know why I'm not the perfume yet. I don't know why I didn't buy it. Girl. Yes, Michelle. Oh. Alright, okay. Hold on. Don't be too hype, girl. It's a box. But is it the perfume inside? This is it. This is it. Oh, God. It's 3.4. If it's not the real one, I'm going to be so mad. I'm going to be so mad. It better be the real one. Because the way I'm going to be mad, nobody can. Listen to me. This better be real Rihanna perfume in the box here. Else, I'm not going to fight. Alright. I'm so scared. Okay. I see the shape of the bottle, but is it real pink? I'm closing my eyes, y'all. I'm so scared. Like, I think I'm being extra, but listen, I got the Rihanna perfume before, and I see they have a lot of fake ones now. So I'm just, let me know. Is it bright pink? Yeah, let me know. Is it bright pink? I'm so scared to open my eyes. Okay, count on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hell no. I'm sending this shit back. They serious? Oh my God. This is the same perfume they have in Perfumania. The same. Matter of fact, this shit will look white. No form of pink. Wait a minute, let me show y'all something. Y'all think I'm playing. I'm sending this back. That's all I know. Hold on. Pink. This is white. This is not the perfume. They played the. I don't remember how it smells. So if it's not even close to the smell, they have the right bottle. But this is the exact same bottle as you see. But you see, the color is totally different. It's a bright pink perfume. Like, why would you even do that? I'm sending it back. I don't want this. Hold on. The scent is similar. It might be the scent, but it's not the perfume. Like, I don't want this. When since they started, I'm never gonna find this perfume, am I? They have the scent. The scent is familiar, but it's like they dilute the hell out of it. It's okay. It smells like it. I'm not even gonna lie, but it's not the color. So is it really the perfume? No. Oh, child. Oh my god. I should have known though. I paid $36 for it. Why would I? I should have known. I was so excited and hyped just now, and they just disappoint the hell out of me. All right, let's see if they have Riri. And this one don't even look like a real one either. Like, at this point, I guess Rihanna's perfume is out of stock forever. Because this can't be it either. This is not it. If it's not bright pink, it's not it. The scent, yeah. Of course you're gonna have the scent because the bottle, you have the bottle. That's not it either. So it's the same one they have. At least you can see this one have a little bit of pink. You could actually see. This one is just pure white. Like, I don't see no pink. Do y'all see pink? Yeah, y'all played me, child. I'm so mad. Like, this one smells exactly like the perfume because I had it. It don't smell diluted or anything. This is a strong scent. This one, you could smell that it is it, but at the same time, it's like light. It's not strong enough. Oh no, they played me. They played me, bro. We're gonna open this right now. I ordered this before, like years ago, and the top part itself broke. I still have that little piece in the kitchen, and I'm like, when I ordered this yesterday, I'm like, shoot, I should have just ordered the top. But come with a booklet. The bottom part. And the blender. So the Timo one is not working for me. So I don't have time to wait. I just want to make smoothies, okay? Probably a little bit. So this is it. No, nice little blender. Good size. It's not too big. It's not too small. Just medium sized blender, and I like it. Why did she come in? Oh well, no box. Okay, see, I've seen the reviews for these and it was in boxes. So why the hell I get plastic? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I guess I could use these today. Oh. God. Oh wait. Oh, they're so cute. Check it out. It comes with the buttons on the side. You got the power button, you got the play button, you got a pause button, and the volume button. Why does it look like it was? Oh wow, look at that. It wasn't even fully closed. Why does it have a? So I could use this thing too, because look at that at the bottom. The cord. So. Oh, okay. I saw these on TikTok too, and I'm like, I'm not paying for that price on TikTok, child. They be bugging on TikTok sometimes with the prices, so I just go on I'll just be checking on Temu and Shein, okay? Oh yeah, noise cancellation. I don't hear nothing. Let me test this out. Let's play a song. Let's turn it on. Is it charged? I hope it comes charged. Remember my toothbrush I bought the other day from Amazon? It had a battery in it the whole time, and it was just yesterday I used it, and we in December, and I thought I had to buy a battery, and the battery came with it. Oh, okay, turn it on. Let me see. Ooh, it's on. Y'all see? It's on. Okay. Let's see if I could is it this B35? Okay, so it's the light. Maybe it wouldn't be charged. Let's see if it's this. Oh, it is. Y'all hear it? It connected. Okay, let's play a song. Alright. It's not even all the way up. Me up here. Enjoy it, and when things don't work out here, don't call me because me not no fool. Don't need you. We get that gal by own. We for no more. And what you feel like. Okay, see volume not even all the way up. Look there. That's the volume. You see it, right? I haven't turned it up. It's like gal by no for no more. What you feel like. This shit is so loud. I love this. You could have just ready time for my Jamaica trip. I'm gonna try this because I'm gonna ring for work. But I don't want to hear nobody. This is best headphones, so obviously I don't want to hear nobody. Yeah. I'm trying to hear it. It's loud as hell. It's so loud. I love it though. Yes. Everything, dog. Okay, so it was 12. Wait. Here's the blue one. That's the blue one. You see the sale price? You see the price? Yeah. And they have pink, black, and white. The black one is $12 now. The pink one is $13, and the this was the price. 10. This was a sale price. Got it for $9.21. Now y'all see my address. Hold on, I gotta fix that. Where's the charger? Where is the charger? I'm getting a phone call, y'all. I'm getting a phone call. It's ringing in my ears. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's at work. Wow. It's working. I didn't even know that you can accept calls on here. I thought it was just like headphones. Ah! That's even better. I want headphone not test out. I never know say I'm gonna accept call funny. And then it just say your number out. Like you read your number out. I'm like, what? I look down and see if one rings. What the hell? That's crazy. So I forgot to mention that. I forgot because I had seen it so happened that it rang. I didn't even know. So the number when the phone ring, the number was that the person was saying the number in my head. I don't know, maybe I set the phone like that. I don't know. But that's a good thing. I could talk on this trip because I was hoping that, but I just didn't remember to mention it just now. Because I see it in the, some of them say that some of them do it and some of them don't. Like you can receive calls on it and you can't. So I was like, okay. That just showed me that it could work just now. I hope this could fit me. This is a cute short. Yeah, sweater for Kimani. Look at this sweater. I'll go for Kimani. This sweater is nice. The Gemini chain. They're both cute. Okay. So here it is. I'm about to put it on right now. It's actually long. Morning, y'all. I am heading to the dentist office. I have an appointment at 10 a.m. Today is Tuesday, December 19th. Yo, it's cold out here though. Whew. This is what I'm not gonna miss. I'm not gonna miss none of this. This coat is so warm, even though it's crop. It is warm, baby. He was like my sister. Oh, it's warm. It's so good in here too. Good morning. Good morning. morning. I have an appointment at 10. Dentist. Andy K. Oh, sorry? Oh. It's hard.
ID and your insurance card, please. You don't have your photo ID?
I have to fill this all over again?
This form has to be filled out yearly. Okay.
Oh, just my name?
Huh?
Is it just my name?
No, you gotta fill out the whole thing, especially the medical.
But I did all of this already.
When?
This is like my third time here.
Like I said, it has to be filled out yearly.
Yeah, but for the year. I've been here for the year. I hate filling out these papers. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying.
So the last medical form we have is last year.
Last year?
Yes, ma'am. So
No.
it's good for a year, so front and the back, okay?
Oh, so annoying. What about last year? I was just here a few months ago. What are you talking about? Every time I come here, they want me to fill the shit out. It's so annoying, man. Like, I don't remember all the shit. It's because they misplaced their shit. You gotta be filling out papers all the time. I was just here a couple months ago. I'm talking about last year. Little damn son. Look at that lady that's always here. Cause I was just listen. I'm taking my blood pressure. I'm finally in the office.
So this is your appointment for Brookdale with the orthodontist, okay? And this is you take it to the front desk and they'll schedule you another 3-month checkup.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Good day.
So thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thanks. You too. Bye. I told her I was going to Jamaica. She's like, I wish I was you. Because that's what I'm doing for Christmas. She's like, Christmas is next week. And I'm like, yeah, and I'm going to be in Jamaica. She's like, you ready? I'm like, yeah, I'm going to be in Jamaica. You good? Yeah, thank you.
Seriously? Oh, you want that?
Oh. I am so hungry. So I got 2 appointments next year. Well, 3 appointments. I'll get my regular checkup at the doctor in January. Then I gotta come back here this month. I gotta come back. I gotta go to Brookdale in February. And then I gotta come back here in April. I am hungry because I didn't eat anything. You know the deal when you go to the dentist, you can't eat anything. I had some water, that's about it. I feel like I want to go eat Popeyes, but I also want to make a smoothie. So I don't know if I want to walk all the way down there to Popeyes right now. You know what? I'm going to make a smoothie and relax until the work time. But yeah, so to the guy that made me fill out the paper over again. Because remember one time I came there and the system was down, so I had to fill over the paper again. I'm like, how's that my problem? Like, your system is down. So this person is a new guy. He's just learning dental. Because I asked that lady that I said bye to just now when I was leaving, the first one that she wish she was going to Jamaica. I always see her there. So I asked her, I'm like, is he new? And she's like, yeah, he's now learning dental. I'm like, because he made me fill out the whole paper again. And I told him I've been here this year. He's like, because he's telling me, it's a yearly thing. And I'm like, sir, I've been here this year. And when I brought the paper up to give him, so I told him I've been here September. He thinking I'm talking about last year September. I'm like, sir, I didn't even bother. Like, I don't like to go back and forth with people. I like to make conversation difficult because I don't have the patience. Yeah, the lady was like, yeah, she's like, no, the only thing he was supposed to let you fill out was the consent form. So, because that's what he gave you to bring back there. So I'm like, yeah, because I'm like, it's my 3rd time filling out this paper. Very annoying. I get annoyed so easily, especially paperwork. I hate filling out paperwork. So yeah, I was annoyed as hell. I was very annoyed. So I have a consultation at Brookdale again, because since they messed me up the last time, because they canceled on me. They was playing phone tag. I'm calling them, they calling me. I'm missing, they missing. I'm like, I'm not doing this. So I feel like don't know if they had called me with my phone that messed up, the other phone that messed up, but whatever. I actually need to go pick up my jacket I'm picking. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I don't have cash. I'm gonna give them cash. I just threw out the black one because it's done. It's over with. The puffer holes. Oh, hi Miss Joy. You see me? What I'm noticing on this Rihanna box, the perfume is not on the damn box. I should have known. Well, I don't know if I noticed this on the site. They duplicate the box and they just deleted that part. So that's how you know you're not getting the real one. They're not trying to let you know that you're not gonna get the real one, so they don't want to show the pink one on the box with the picture, with her picture. That's just crazy to me. I mean, it's been years since she had it out, so I'm gonna calm down. It probably was out of stock, like way out of stock. I don't, she probably had it for a certain time, but I'm gonna keep it. Cause I honestly I hate to send stuff back about stuff like this, cause I know I had the real one before, and I was actually pink color, but I might just keep it. Rest in peace to my mama. I miss you so much. I miss her so much. In times like these, this is why the holidays don't be sometimes meaning nothing to me, to be honest. But this year I'm like, I should go to Jamaica because I don't want to be here. And the plan was to take my son with me. But like I said, yeah, that part. But yeah, I'm gonna make my smoothie and my burger because I have tomatoes. One thing about tomatoes, I don't like to eat tomato by itself, but I love it on a burger. I have lettuce that I bought from Walmart. Oh, I just washed out the way. I love the color. Ooh, it's 99J. Maybe I'm not gonna cut it. We'll see. But it's still not 22 inches. This is like more like 20. Oh yeah, I love the color though. Ooh. I'm gonna try this. I got it from Walmart, so hopefully it tastes good. It gotta taste good. Got mango in it. Oh, you forgot? Yes. Thank you. She said she forgot a whole dollar. She was like, peanuts? I was like, yeah. And take the dollar I owe you. She was like, oh yes. Y'all, it is so cold out here. Jesus Christ. It is freezing. Oh my God. I'm going to the bank. We're outside cold. Oh,
The next day.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's freaking cold. It's freezing. It's 40 something degrees, and I'm bundled up. I'm going to go pick up my winter coat because even though I don't need it because I'm about to go to Jamaica tomorrow. It's just the fact that I don't want it to stay there for 2 weeks. So I was gonna come outside earlier. It's now 3 something, supposed to be 4. I'll make sure I come outside before it get dark because it's gonna get dark around 4. I was supposed to go to Popeyes, but I'm like, I'm just gonna cook because I had to cook some chicken yesterday. I didn't cook, so I just cooked it instead. Just some stewed chicken and dumpling and rice. Yeah. Yep, whatever. Dumpling and rice. Like, yeah, you never get that feeling there when sometimes you two of them. That's what I'll be doing. Not all the time. It's like when I feel for it. I fly in my wig. Well, not the one that I washed the other day. I fly in the short burgundy one that I had. I don't know if I want to wear a long wig. I'm gonna fly in it tonight, but I'm just, just to have a backup. I didn't fly in here, but I like how it came out. Yo, okay, I'm free. Okay, I'm just gonna come back. Oh, the cold. What's on there do? Oh, I'm not so cold enough. I'm going to a jeans jacket. Jeans jacket where, girl? Thank God, I'm going to come out in a jeans jacket now. Isn't today winter starts? I think so. Today the 21st, right? So it started either yesterday or today. I don't even know what day. I just know it's in the 20th. And then Monday's Christmas. Woo, look at my hand. You can see how, look at my hand shrivel up. That's how you know how cold it is. Oh mad. I got a little sun. Now it's not you know. You're too far. But yeah. Oh, it's the sun for me. Oh, that feels so warm. Oh, it feels so good just now. But yeah, if you guys, I need to go to the toilet store because nothing to grease my scalp. I did my hair last night. The gold oil finished and I'm like, damn, I just went to finish Walmart and I forgot to get some. Oh yeah, the something that worked for me, you know? The stuff like that worked for me. Yeah, I love that for me. It's working. I have so much less dandruff now. Thank God. I don't know why I act like I didn't know about sulfate. I knew about it. It's just the fact that I just never used it. I'll see y'all when I go back at the nail salon. When I go here, because I gotta go do my toes. That's the only thing I'm doing. I'm gonna do my nails myself. I'm gonna do my eyebrows myself. Yeah, too much money. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just gonna do my toes. Hey, who just give you one toes by himself? You know what I'm trying to do? You know what? When I got on something, you know, I waste this money. I'm not I don't want to go pay my toes myself. I bought some nail polish machine. I'm not going to the nail salon. Yeah, I'm gonna pay my toes myself. I have a lot of nail polish that I bought that I never used. So I think it's a few of them. Oh, they got Shein stuff right here, yo. It's so cold in here. Hello, what is it? Oh, yes, so cold in here?
Yeah, close.
Yeah, oh, from
Shein.
yeah.
Yeah, you can still go in.
Oh, because this is the first time seeing this. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, we just recently opened like maybe a month, 2 months ago.
Okay. I honestly don't even need anything. I was just walking by and I see it. Oh, okay. Oh, so yeah. Damn, I'm gonna take on my time. I have to come back. Oh, they got coats too. Oh, okay. That's cool. I'm not trying to spend my money right now, though, to be honest. I never saw that. That's what's up, though. It is. See, look how small this is. 2 ounce, and it's so small. I gotta go back to Walmart and get the other size. I think I'm gonna get something. But look on this. They even have this in here too. Carbolic soap. Let's go to Dollar Tree first to see if they have tape. I'm not sure. I need tape. Some duct tape. So then you have a big duct tape. That big duct tape never see. This shit is huge. $7.99. Okay. Let's get a clear tape instead. I think this could be fine. $1.50. I'm gonna get this. I feel like tape that Dollar Tree though was. I'll show you look. You see, one, but we can't be sure. It's different from Dollar Tree, right now. So I'm just gonna buy it, and if all the Dollar Tree is there, it's there. That's it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do no nails, my feet or anything. I'm gonna do that myself. I don't got time to go to no salon right now. So I was gonna go home, relax for a little bit, and get up and start packing. Yeah, I didn't start packing here, but I'm gonna pack better than last time. Oh crap! I was supposed to come outside and. All right, so the thing that that's so annoying. So the thing that I had showed you to weigh the suitcase, I actually gotta buy a battery for that. So I'm gonna go to the corner store and show them, or the pharmacy, show them the battery. It's like the wrong battery. At this point, I just want to just leave it. I mean, I should at the airport at this point, but now I didn't even notice that I didn't even say much about it. But just show it and just say that I'm not gonna spend so much money. I'm gonna get this tea tree goat oil and this carrot oil right here, because yeah, I never saw this before. Pumpkin seed oil, premium hair oil. I never heard about this one. Never heard of it. Oh, it help. Oh, it's spit ends too. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get the carrot one for spit ends. So let me just get the carrot oil. Probably get this one. Should I get the Jamaican castor oil? Really? I thought I saw it just now. Here it is. Carrot oil, tea tree, and Jamaican castor oil. Okay, I'll do I get these. So I was gonna get I was gonna get this one, but I think I'm gonna go with this. It's leave-in conditioner, anti-breakage. Even though the Indian M go, I hear a lot. I feel like the Indian M too. Oh my god, I'm confused. This is the goat oil I was using. I think it was for something at Walmart though. With you, I lose my mind. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm gonna try this one. I know tea tree oil is good for hair growth, so I'm gonna give it a try. Might just get these two and go about my business. Cause I've been need this. I need this. Oh, what am I going to spend that? Okay, so I bought the tea tree oil, the Indian Hemp, and the tea tree leave-in conditioner because I need to get my scalp together. Like I said, the sulfur aid is working for me. So thank you. The sulfur aid is working for me. Oh, that was sweet. Alright, so I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and then go home. I mean, I ate already, so I'm not hungry. Thank God. I'm not trying to spend a lot of money in Dollar Tree. Go in there and get what you want, girl, and come out. Come on, man, move now. I drive too slow, better. I'm saying, that guy don't want to drive. God. See, I'm not the only one that's impatient. He's like, these niggas. I'm like, yeah. Look at the plane back to back. I don't have to see it. There you go. Alright, so I'm about to go on that street and go to Dollar Tree real quick. That's how we do this. It's crazy because I braided my hair last night, but I didn't have much deep conditioner. I didn't have a lot of deep conditioner. So I'm like, damn, should I wait till tomorrow to do it? But I still braided it up. But now, when I go home, I'm going to take it out and, you know, give my hair some love. Hey, Jam Rock. Yeah, my hair needs to be treated. So that's why I'm going to go home and take these braids out and just treat it and then braid it back. Yo, look at this. Friggin' tape. Packing tape. You just know you can never be sure in Dollar Tree because sometimes they don't have stuff. So you just gotta be prepared. They even have the friggin' duct tape. Like, I just want to buy Swabble because they be using this down there. Maybe I'm gonna buy it. Yeah? It's how small it was. I thought it was a bit bigger. Oh no, they definitely changed the size. It's so small. Yeah, they changed the size for this. This one's bigger. Look at these cups Dollar Tree have, like a yogurt cup. I think I bought one from here before. And they got the soup cups up here. Look, here's one. I took it down just now. It's like the red one I have. Just nice. This is what I'm buying from Dollar Tree. I feel like it's gonna be like over $20. That's crazy. On the batteries for the I think these are the batteries for the thing. Yeah, there you are. Hopefully it works. I don't know how long I was in Dollar Tree. How much I just paid just now? $45. Yo, this right here make my hair feel so soft. Oh my god. I never use this. This is my first time using this. This shit just fell on the bed. Whatever. I'm gonna change my sheet. Oh my god, this is everything. I love this. And it smells so good. No. What you just said to me when I called you? What you said?
What's up, mommy?
No, that's not what you said.
I'm like, yo, what's up, mommy? Hey, yo.
Yo, Kiana said, hey, yo, what's up, mommy? I'm like, what? Listen, you too grown for me. What you doing?
What you doing?
What you doing?
Playing game.
What game? What game you playing? What you smiling for? How you feeling? Took your medicine today?
Yeah, I'm sick, man.
Kimani,
Huh?
how you feeling?
I'm good.
So why you say you sick? He is too funny.
Oh, y'all.
Love you.
I love you, mommy.
Love you. You okay?
You okay? I'm okay, mommy.
Okay, booby. You got a mustache, Papa. Oh my God, he's grown. You got a mustache. Look at your mustache coming on.
I don't know where I'm headed. I gotta go.
Where you going, Kimani? Think about I gotta go.
Going here.
Where?
I'm going Daddy Little, man.
Oh, okay. You too much.
Too much, mommy.
You're too much. You're so sweet. You can wink. You just winked at me. You're so cute. I can't even wink. He just winked at me. So handsome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye, baby. Good night, mommy.
You coming off the phone?
We're talking on the phone. Bye.
Good night. I love you.
Good night. I love you, mommy.
I love you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Press the at the button.
So my son is too much. He don't want to be on the phone with me long enough. But if you know autistic kids, you know that's how they are. They want to be by themselves. He will talk to me, but he won't talk to me for long. I gotta start packing now. It's the time. Now I have my little fashionable haul right here. See, I gave out a coupons yesterday, so I bought some stuff from. Well, I bought some stuff from my family members, but I don't want to show y'all this stuff. I'm gonna show y'all my stuff. So this is a cute little short that I saw on there, and I'm like, this is different. Never had a short like this. Look at it. It's so adorable. It's so cute. Yeah. I wish I could wear this down tomorrow, but I can not in this weather. So it's like washed out type. You know, the two pockets at the back, two at the front, and the string right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I don't know how much I paid for this. But yeah, and I had coupon, so yeah. That's that. I bought me a sandal. I think this was $4. I think it was. I don't remember. I wasn't fashionable since what, 2 years? Was it 2 years or no? Has it been 2 years? I don't remember. But these are different. These are some cute. Oh yes. Look at them. They're so cute. I'm turn it this way. Yeah. This is so cute. Just say Fashion Over inside. And even the bottom is like that. Wow. And they're like very rubbery. I just like the design. The design is what caught my eye. So yeah, and these are size 8. So this is like the coats. Actually, a coat. So this was $20. Oh yeah. So the short was a medium. I forgot to say the shorts was medium. So yeah, the coat now. They had this in blue, and I'm like, okay, I'm not getting this coat. Oh, it's not really too warm, but it could go with a hoodie. So it doesn't have a hoodie. That's how it is. So in the back, it's the same design in the back. So yeah, I should try it on and see how it is. It's not gonna look right with this hoodie. Oh, I have a black hoodie. Okay, I'm like, it's not gonna look right with this hoodie. Oh, this is a size medium. Wait. Make sure I got a large in this. This I keep buying large hood jackets and they be big on me. So I'm like, let's get a medium in this and see. Hopefully this fits good. Okay, this one is really thick. So maybe if I wear the black one, it'll be better. Oh yeah, of course, that's the one I'm gonna wear. The black one is the one I'm gonna wear anyway, so. No, it's not bad. So this is the back. Feels like a, you know. Let's see if I can zip it up. Yeah, it's not tight. That's it. It feels warm. Let's hold it up on the phone maybe. But it's not bad. I like it. I think this is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow to the airport. Yeah. I like it. It's cute. Like I said, they have blue. There's pockets on the side with button pockets. Why doesn't it be a zipper? It was so much better if it was a zipper. But it's button. Oh, it's not. The pockets are not small. It's a good size. You know, you can put your hands in if it's cold. You know, I like this coat. This is cute. It's my first coat from Fashion Nova actually. I don't think I have a butter coat from Fashion Nova. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, see, it got space. Got a little space. Yeah, this will keep me warm. And you see how inside is. So inside is just blue. And the water's so blue. Oh yeah, inside, is it black or blue? I can't even see. I think it's blue. See, the Fashion Nova. This one, even though blue is my color, this one will caught my eye first before I even see the blue one. And I was thinking, like, should I get the blue one? I'm like, no, I'm gonna just get this one. It's a little crop top, a crop long sleeve top. Yeah, don't mind the background because y'all know I'm packing. Yeah, this is a crop top, long sleeve. Yeah, size medium. This was $4.99. So I'm like, let me get this. It's stretchy. Oh yes, yeah, it's stretchy. I might bring this with me. Because I'm hearing it's a little chilly down there. This is a dress. It's a white dress. Ooh, I love this. Was $4. I had to get this. This was so cute for $4 something. I was like, oh, this is cute. What size did I get? Is this a small? No. Oh, yeah, it's got a little stretch. It got stretch to it. Let me see what size I got. I don't see the size. Where's the tag? Alright, the size I got is medium. So it's called a Mahela mini dress. Yeah, it's a medium. I think, yeah, I got 3 dresses. This one is so cute. It's like, oh, is this material? Okay. This is like the dresses you will see in like rainbow. I've seen dresses like this in rainbow before, and I like this. This is so cute. It's long. It's like a maxi dress. I think that's what it's called. Let me see. Take me on a trip maxi dress. Yeah. So it's open back, very cute, and it's long. And with I have a blue bag, so I'm probably going. Or yellow, whatever. Do I have a yellow bag? No, I don't think I have a yellow bag. No, I don't have a yellow bag. But yeah, you got 2 splits on the side. So it's a split right here and a split right here. You know what's funny? Wow. I took a risk and buy this. This is a small. Oh, I think this will fit me though, because I think this was the only size left, and I'm like, I'm gonna take a risk. Take a risk with this one and get a small, and it got stretched to it, so it might fit me. Oh yes, I'm glad I got a small. My milk body can show up in this. This one they had a different color too. You know, yeah, they had a yellow one, And I'm like, let's get this. Cause I don't know. Oh yeah, these holes is see-through, so I know you can see my hoodie through it. But yeah, so it's like I have a open thing. It's like a choker top, choker neck dress. Cause you know, I didn't see these dresses in a long time with these buttons. It's been a minute since I see these. But yeah, so you have these two things in the back with the button, and this is how it is. You see? Ooh. So is this it? Yes. Alright, so that's the end of it. So I'm gonna do my hair now, and then I'm gonna start packing, and I guess I'll see y'all at the airport.